video, I shall demonstrate how you correctly charge the Oset battery. So I'll show you how to remove the wiring harness from the battery and then connect the battery charger up. So the connector works on a quick release mechanism, which turning it anti-clockwise just undoes the connection. And then for inputting the charger cable into the battery, it's just a push fit. Once you get that click, then you know it's connected properly. Okay, I'll now connect the charger to the mains. What you'll see is that the charger has initiated. It will turn red once it starts charging, and you'll hear the fan accelerate. You can also then check the state of charge on your battery on the LED flashing sequence. You can also remove the battery to charge it, which I'll demonstrate now. Again, the battery will start on green. It actually starts to charge and the LED will turn red. Once the charging is complete, the LED on the charger will turn green and you'll get a continuous blue light on the battery. Okay, now the battery is fully charged, I shall demonstrate how you reinstall it back into the bike. The battery sits in some rubber cups, and on the underside of the battery it's designed that it sits nice and neat in those cups. So you can tell when you get it in there, because when it won't slide, move any further than where it is now. And then it's just a case of reinstalling the Velcro strap. And then the last thing we need to do is just reconnect the harness. And that's it. That's how you install the battery. When the battery is in the bike, you have an indicator on the keypads to let you know what the state of charge is of the battery. But if the battery's been removed from the bike and it's been in storage, you can check the state of charge with the traffic light system that works on the LED power button. To demonstrate that, I'll just switch the battery on. And as you can see, it's like a dull green colour. Now that tells me that the battery is between 71 and 100% charge. If it goes to amber, it means it's between 31 and 70%. And if it stays on red, it's less than 30%. After you check the status of the battery, to switch the battery off, it's just a simple push for a brief second, and then the battery will turn off. If the battery should ever need to do a reset, you switch the battery on, wait for the green LED to dim. You then hold this button down for 5 seconds. And the battery should go solid green and then back down to a dimmer green. That's the reset process.